they're more braver. in
Why? Does violence make you brave? Hindi, diba?
No, actually no. And that's another thing. Another thing with frat. I don't really subscribe with their idea of
what does physical aggression
physical
have to do with being a man
or
diba?
being loyal to your
or being loyal to your
Yes.
frat.
I don't get that.
Yeah, okay. Let's shift the topic a bit.
All right.
Before we get you into trouble.
Yes.
Okay. And then, well, this is the interesting thing. You were saying that in the course of law school, you actually broke down physically?
Yeah.
How did that happen?
I think that was
through all the stress and
2
everything?
months after...
2 months into law school
yes.
pa lang. Ano nangyari doon?
I was driving home and then I just felt really tired, as in mentally and physically tired. And when I got home, I couldn't get out of my car.
As in you couldn't move?
I couldn't move.
Okay.
I don't know why. I don't have any fever or anything. I just couldn't move, so I just have to ask my house help to help me get inside the house.
Okay.
And then I wasn't able to go to class for 2 days.
But you were in bed
I was just so
did
exhausted.
Did the doctor tell you what went wrong?
I didn't go to the doctor because I know it's just it's all in the mind. It's maybe anxiety or
Pero psychosomatic kasi naka-apekto sa katawan eh. Okay. So but those 2 days in bed allowed you to think about whether you would still go on with law school or not.
Yeah. Actually, it's one of the turning points in my life because there I reassessed how I was doing in managing my time, because you really have to read a lot of cases in law school. It's really it's the truth. It's the fact that you must accept, and another fact that you must accept is that you're limited in your ability to finish everything. So that was the time na I told myself, well, I wouldn't sacrifice my my other lives, like my social life, my family life, with my academic life, because it's not gonna be worth it. I'm just gonna burn myself out, and then I wouldn't do anything good.
Okay, so and then you decided na you'd lead a balanced life.
Yes.
Gym and parang not too serious about academic work. Parang ganon. Okay. But still, you passed, no? Paano yun, no? At the luckily, no? At the end of 4 years, you pass and then you prepare for the bar, right?
Yes.
So, and then, like, well, you were saying that you just got help from your girlfriend, some mga frat men.
Yes.
For the reviewers. But, which is worse, law school or taking the bar?
Well, I guess it's taking the bar, because you don't really know what to expect. Unlike in law school, it's monotonous. The next day, you know you're gonna get called, and then you know what subjects to take the next day, what to read. But during the bar season, it was really you just have to know everything, because you don't know where the questions would be coming from. So it's more nerve-wracking because you don't know what to expect.
Okay. And did you think when you were taking the bar that you would pass?
Yes, because I always believe in the so-called law of attraction, that if you think positive, if you think something, then it would be a self-fulfilling prophecy. So,
in other words, your mind can create something that you
Yes.
think. Okay. And then you decided that if you didn't pass the bar, that
I wouldn't take it anymore.
not worth it.
Not worth it, the mental anxiety and all.
Okay.
It's really hard.
Parang that's an understatement, no? It's really hard.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. And then, after you took the bar, it took you a while before you got a job.
Yes.
Why?
I took my time. Because I figured also from the stories of my friends who already took the bar and were already practicing at that time, that it would be my last vacation. So the next few months after the bar would be my last vacation for my whole life. So I wasn't in a rush to get a job. So there, I just enjoyed my quiet time every day, watching TV and then bumming around.
Okay, all right. And then after that, you you steered clear of the big law firms, no? You applied sa
Yes.
Chato.
Yes.
Pinson's Chato.
When actually was one of my dreams to be a lawyer in a big law firm. Who doesn't dream of that, diba? Parang it's the most prestigious thing. But I interned in one of the big law firms and I got disillusioned because for them you're just one of the lawyers. Parang,
Yeah, but everybody has to start somewhere din, di ba?
yeah, but unlike in small to medium-sized law firms, you get to interact with the partners more. Because the partners are the experienced ones, so you get to learn from them. And
Okay.
they,
So, and there's more responsibility given to you.
yes,
Kasi nga, there are less lawyers.
yes,
So you do more work. And you feel that you learn faster that way.
yes. Like now, most of my colleagues, most of my batchmates haven't really appeared in court. They just make pleadings and do the dirty work, the research work.
But you do.
But me, they just get me to do the litigation work for the clients, and it's all on me. I don't get to have someone to hold my hand in court and advise me on what to do. Of course, there's also supervision by the partners, but it's more more about the work you put in.
Okay. So you've actually done cross-examination in court. You've
Yes.
questioned witnesses already.
Yes.
And at this age, huh?
Yes.
Okay. Do you sometimes get parang minsan napapagalitan ka ba ng judge or di ba pag batang abogado parang
Yes.
di ba?
I think the judges are more sympathetic of new lawyers.
Okay.
Rather, if you're with a more experienced lawyer and then he makes a mistake, the judge would reprimand him or her. So I've been through several hearings with the other counsel being reprimanded for
Okay.
saying the wrong things or doing the wrong
Yeah.
things.
When you do cross-examination, do you know when you've done a good one?
Yes, you just
Yeah.
feel it.
You can feel it.
Yeah, that you elicited all the necessary testimony from the witness.
Okay, so marunong kang manghuli.
Yeah.
Kasi to be a good
Well, I'm
cross-examiner.
learning.
You're-
I'm really
yeah.
not that good yet. I'm still reading a lot of trial technique books to help me out, theoretically.
Oo.
But to put it in practice, it's another thing.
Yeah, but it's like police interrogation, intelligence interrogation,
Yes.
di ba?
Yes.
Kasi you elicit information.
Yes, yes.
Di ba? So you could have been an investigator or
Yeah,
Not just
maybe that's
president.
it's another career option to go into NBI.
Oh my gosh. Well, you're a lawyer already, so
Yes.
it'll help you. Okay, thank you very much, Attorney Reg Tongol.
Thank
You
you.
join us in the last segment for questions from the viewers. Thank you.
Thank you.
Up ahead, a talk with the lawyer who shied away from making plenty of money to give legal assistance to the oppressed, pro bono. Shop Talk will be right back.
Oh,